وتوبوا إلى الله جميعا أيها المؤمنون لعلكم تفلحون.
We have a small announcement if the Sheikh allows. We have some of the audience who want to announce their shahada. So we would like to call for people here so the Sheikh can. And we would also like take this opportunity if anybody from the audience also would like to announce their shahada. From the female.
MashaAllah. My brothers and sisters, we are so delighted, we are happy, we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. At the same time, we embrace this brother. What is your name, brother? Jibreel. MashaAllah, he's already got a beautiful name, Jibreel. We embrace him in every way. And remember, what we offer him is not just a big takbir, that is there. But beyond that, we offer him total acceptance as a brother of ours. And the sister, as a sister of ours in faith. Wallahi, we feel for you just like we feel for ourselves. So inshallah, you repeat after me the words, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open your doors. So say after me, Ashhadu Allah ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship besides Allah. I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be on him, is his final messenger and prophet. MashaAllah. Takbir. 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 Barakallah. Bless you and strengthen you. Barakallah. Shukran. I'm sure there will be brothers who will follow up with you, inshallah. I believe there is a sister as well who would like to declare her shahada. Can you hear me? It's okay. You can stand where you are. It's fine. Can you hear me?
Yes.
You can repeat after me, inshallah, sister. And like I said, inshallah, you are a sister of ours in every sense of the term. By the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in faith. May Allah make it easy for you and everyone else out here. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you in your journey. It is probably the biggest decision you are making. And it's not a simple decision. So you repeat the words after me, inshallah. And that will be a declaration of faith which is considered entry into the fold of Islam. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship besides Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be on him, is his final messenger and prophet. MashaAllah. Takbir. 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 Barakallahu feekum. My brothers and sisters, like I say, as much as we are so honored, we need to embrace our brothers and sisters with the depth of the term embracing. And we need to understand that it is a very big decision. It is the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Similarly, those who are here from people of different faiths, you are still our brothers and sisters in humanity. It does not mean that we don't respect you and we don't fulfill your rights. Wallahi, we would reach out to you just like we would reach out to ourselves by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Allahu Allah.